Hey, this is Mike from Minimal 3DP, and today I'm going over my various tutorials for OrcaSlicer. I've had some questions as to where to start. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I've put together. So back when I started this channel in January of 2021, which seems forever ago, but then again just yesterday, I didn't realize how much content I was going to generate, particularly on OrcaSlicer. Back then, I hadn't even started to use OrcaSlicer, and it wasn't until maybe 2 or 3 years in that I started really enjoying using it and then started making content. Over time, I generated a ton of videos, and originally I had them broken into 2 playlists: Minimal 3DP OrcaSlicer and then Minimal 3DP OrcaSlicer Advanced. What wound up happening was I had 30 plus videos in one playlist and 6 in the other, and it wasn't very helpful for novice users that were looking to learn about how to use OrcaSlicer. So I've redone all my playlists, and I've broken them out, the playlists at least for OrcaSlicer, and I have 5 here that I think would be helpful if you were trying to learn OrcaSlicer, or you're an advanced user looking to try different features or a how-to. So my first playlist is the OrcaSlicer quick start from 0 to first print hero. And that's again for novice users. And I've broken that down into very basics: how to install and download OrcaSlicer, getting up and running, and then doing deep dives into what the various settings are, how to do basic calibration. So everything's there you should need. Additionally, I've also included various data I've pulled out of the wiki for recommended settings for you to take a look at. My next playlist is more for the intermediate user, and this is a deeper dive into various calibrations. Instead of doing one video where I touch on all the calibrations, I tried to give each calibration its own video so you could look through it and more of a deeper dive on how to set everything up. Again, hopefully you find that helpful. Next playlist is somewhere in between intermediate and advanced, and this set of videos is more about process settings. So what makes a print stronger? What settings should you be using? What's the best infill to use based on quickness and overall strength? How can we increase bed adhesion by using OrcaSlicer? Things of that nature. So again, hopefully everybody finds that helpful. I have an advanced playlist, and this is one that doesn't quite fit anywhere else. And this is the bricklayer post-processing script tutorial in here, how to set up adaptive purge, and some other settings. And lastly, I have a playlist that OrcaSlicer updates and new features. And this is just where I take a look at the upcoming betas and any other features. I know this isn't like a normal video. I'm just hoping you find this helpful. And this helps everybody sort of figure out, if you're trying to use my videos to learn OrcaSlicer, what order I think you should look at things in. Now, I'm going to post in the video description this list along with the links to the various playlists. If you like what I'm doing, please give me a like and a share. Also, I've enabled memberships on my videos via YouTube. If you really want to support the channel, feel free to join, and that helps me generate a little bit more income that I'm using to plow right back into the channel to buy different technologies for future videos and whatnot. So again, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below, and I look forward to talking to you again in the future. Have a good day.